Hi everybody, Ryan here again. So the last couple weeks I've been talking about other business ideas and all that. We were talking about buying some property and doing like an in-shop type of service thing with and parking and all that type of stuff. But the property we were looking at sold or has an offer in on it or a deal. So kind of decided to switch gears and instead of borrowing a bunch of money and all that, just kind of use what we had available to us and start an on-site mobile type of service business. So I was talking about buying trucks, and you can see behind me, I went ahead and bought one. So it's a 2008 F350, 6.4 Power Stroke. I know there was some issues with them, but I think this one's probably won't have any issues, and I'll leave it at that. So the truck's pretty good shape. It had like 240 something thousand miles on it, which isn't bad. For Northeast Ohio, really not much rust, a little bit on the cab corners and stuff, but no penetration through the metal yet. There are any holes in it, so pretty salvageable. It has a lift kit and everything on it, bigger tires. I don't know how I feel about that, but it'd be good for, I'm looking to work on construction equipment and ag equipment, so it will be nice for going off-road and all that good stuff. So got a pretty good deal on it. It needs a few little things. Like I said, we're going to need to put a set of tires on it here shortly. The belt tensioner for the fan, like the pulley was off of it, and the guy didn't know about it. So I already bought that at Napa and got a new belt and all that stuff. Then I think we got a brake line up here to fix too. But really, runs really good. The box, it has aluminum. I believe this is a Redding box on the back of it, all aluminum, so you don't have to worry about it rusting out or anything. Got the keys for all the boxes work. Yeah, so I'll probably put a power inverter in here. I'm probably gonna go to get a hold of Redding and probably try to get some more shelves and stuff. So I don't know what happened to all those. The other side has some shelves and stuff in it. But really, I mean, a pretty straight box. I think, how's this open? Oh, it's neat. So nice top box up here on both sides. So, but yeah, I mean the bottoms are pretty good in them. I don't know what they did there, but and I got the original bumper and spare tire, and I said part of this exhaust. I don't know what happened with that, but I'll probably have to fix that as well. These vices are pretty expensive. I mean, a nice vise like this can be a couple $100s, and I'm surprised it's actually not rusted up either. So it's kind of rare. Ladder rack, which I don't know if I'll put a ladder on there, but nice if you got to haul a piece of steel or something or whatever, nice for that. So, this side actually has the shelves and stuff in it, so yeah, we got all the shelves over here, but I'll probably get a hold of them and try to get some replacement shelves, put more shelves in it. So. Interior's pretty good shape. Kind of surprised for that amount of miles. The seats are in a real nice shape, because my GMC over there, the driver's seat, it has a few more. It has like 50,000 more miles, but the driver's side seat's kind of tore up. So really, it just needs cleaned up, detailed, and all that. But really, halfway clean truck. Mirrors are shot. I just ordered those. They were $260 for a set, and they're actually an upgrade with the heated and all that, and the turn signal light. So it should have the wiring harness there to plug that in. So it'd be a nice little upgrade and fix that problem. Nice heavy bumper on the front with a hitch and all that. So, but I'll go ahead and open the hood. I can't remember where that. I've never owned a Ford of this vintage, so I can't remember where the latch thing is. There we go. So pretty clean engine for the most part. I didn't see any issues or anything. But let's start it up here. So it don't sound too bad. Starts up easy. It was about 30 degrees the other morning. I had to start it up and move it, and started right up for the most part. So there it is. That's the start of the new business, I guess. We got the welder to go in there. We got that. I already had that gas-powered Ingersoll compressor that I'll put in there. I'm going to build a stand and all that to put the welder in there. Some more to follow on that. And I just made a purchase on some software and communication device that covers like 270 different brands. Like pretty much every on-highway truck. I mean, Kenworth, Volvo, Freightliner, Detroit, and about everything. So. And for the most part, dealer level access to that stuff. I mean, it was a lot of money. I'll put a whole video out on that once I get that next week and get that installed and show you guys what I'm talking about. So we're getting started. Hopefully have this up and running in May next month. Already got insurance and all that rolling, so it'd be kind of exciting starting something new. And like I said, we're kind of starting a new chapter with the trucking as well. With probably having somebody else come on in that, so that'll kind of be a new path as well. So stay tuned for all that info. So I'll go ahead and close with that. Like I said, just wanted to share that with you guys what we got going on. So again, on this channel, you know, we're always doing the Landstar stuff, owner op stuff, truck maintenance, and now we're starting another business and kind of be starting a new chapter with that as well. So so stay tuned for that if you're interested. If you're interested in the farm stuff, check out our other farm channel. So we'll have a link to that in the description as well. So we're putting all the farm stuff over there now, and antique tractor and tractor maintenance in general, that stuff will be on that side. So subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for the updates, and like the video, thumbs up. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.